Hey guys, this is Frankie here at Fillmore Buick GMC in Jackson, Mississippi, and today we have this pre-owned 2017 Cadillac Escalade. This vehicle has 46,000 miles on it, and you can come get it now for $55,900. It comes equipped with all your front and rear parking assist, got your 22-inch wheels here, and you have remote keyless entry. Let's take a look at the inside and check out some of these features. You got heated and cooled driver and passenger seating, heads-up display, rear vision camera, and you have a 360 surround vision view of everything around the vehicle. Now the second row, you have heated captain chairs in the second row, and you also have powered third row and second row seating from your adjustables back here. Come check out the cargo space in the trunk area. Got a cargo net back here and a little bit more storage room just in case you don't want anything in the back of your cargo space area. Now this is going to wrap up our video on this 2017 Cadillac Escalade. Come see Frankie at Fillmore Buick GMC in Jackson, Mississippi.